Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make made of paper easy guide. Start by selecting the right paper and tools for your project, then measure and mark with a pencil. Make clean straight cuts and fold slowly for precise edges. Use glue sparingly and press seams firmly to dry. Practice with scrap paper before committing to final sheets to save time and materials. Plan each cut before you start, laying out patterns on the paper and aligning edges to minimize waste. Hold the ruler firmly and guide the blade for straight lines, switching to scissors for rounded or intricate shapes. Keep scrap strips for testing glue or folds. Take breaks to steady your hands if pieces are small or detailed, which helps maintain clean, professional results. Start by scoring fold lines and practicing mountain and valley folds on scrap paper first. Use a bone folder or the blunt edge of a ruler to sharpen creases, then align tabs precisely before gluing. Press joints and let them dry on a flat surface to avoid warping. Build subassemblies separately and combine them in stages, checking fit and symmetry as you go for a polished final piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.